Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Coming in from last week, hoping that all three of these trades do exactly what I expect them to do. Of course, was win. Y'all know if you're a trader, you want to win, so you know it's a thing. But for the same token, got three trades in, so they all kind of went crazy. It's after Labor Day, U.S. holiday type of deal. They all winning. 7204 is the price here on the sale. They're all sales. So 1612, we got 1609, we got 2868, we got 2864. So we got some time. Got hour and 31 minutes. So we'll see. We're in the green now and kind of going red in the midst of it, but we got a lot of time left. So I'm just gonna let these things do what they do. We have three trades, so here we go. Yo, what's going on, y'all? I got 15 minutes left in this trade. Trades are still winning right now. As you can see, I bought two contracts for $35. So y'all know what the price of that. That's $70 if I win this trade. One contract at $36.25 and one contract at $38.50. So let's do the quick math on that. Real quick. I'm trying to watch the game. Real quick. Got some dude in my inbox because he's seen my trades on my little on my day thing on Facebook, trying to be all in my inbox and stuff. You know how that go. Let's do the quick math real quick. Let's do that real quick. 70. Okay, we go. 35. Excuse me. 35 times 2 equals 70. Times 2 equals 70. 70 plus 36.25. It's 106. And 106 plus 38.50. Because 144. So my first trades of the day, they all kind of went in almost the same time. Not all of them, but they all kind of went in almost the same time. It'll probably be maybe in a total of 15 minutes. They all kind of went in. So that's what's been going on. I've been watching the market since the market opened yesterday. So we're running pretty close on. We're really not running really close on AUD/USD. That's the closest one that's running really close. The other ones are looking pretty good. 14 minutes left. Everything want to kind of like, it was kind of acting weird because I watching sports on TV. I don't know. This is the first time I ever did this and try to make a video at the same time. So it was kind of hard. It almost didn't seem like I wasn't going to complete the video, but everything's all right. As you see, I started this count this week. I came into this week with 312, and so far so good. I'm ending up probably taking some money out. Maybe one or two more trades. I'll do a quick withdrawal. Yes, you gotta withdraw money, y'all. Y'all gotta withdraw money. It's nothing. It does you no good to be trading and don't withdraw money on profits. You can't stay in the whole time. So, but I'm gonna get big back with you guys in just a moment. I got 13 minutes left. I don't want to make this video too long. It's already getting lengthy. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Trying to get this here to act correctly. Hold on. Let's see here. All right, guys, we're finna hit the last 13 seconds of this trade. 1602, 1612, 7198, 2862. We're all winning. It's gonna be all winners right here. Watch the balance change. Once the contracts clear out, we're good to go. Boom, 448. I started at 312 today, so things looking pretty good. It's victorious. Alex Jenkins checking out.